Hey guys, it's Minyoung from Bobby and Bambies. If you're new here, welcome. I don't have a full-on dog bakery business tip video today. I just wanted to drop in to let you know that Dog Bakery Academy 2021 enrollment is now open. Dog Bakery Academy is offering the following 4 exciting options to meet your dog bakery or pet treat business needs. The first course is the Signature Zero to Launch course. The Signature course is for those who are looking to build their dog bakery business step by step from scratch the right way. There's so many things to uncover and unpack, and this course will be perfect for you. The course will walk you through my dog bakery business blueprint and will teach you how to legally set up your business without costing a fortune, show you where to get your products to get lab tested, and how to submit your product labels to the Department of Agriculture, share where I get all of my supplies, sources, and the ultimate sourcing guide. You also gain access to my process and procedures for baking, decorating, and shipping products. You also get Bobby and Bambi's dog bakery recipes and so much more. I'm telling you guys, this course is golden. I created a video walking you through the entire course module in detail. I'll include a link in the description box below. The second course is the Professional Decorators Course. The Decorator Course is created for already existing dog bakers who wants to level up their decorating skills. Or if you're building your dog bakery business already and don't need all the logistics, this is the perfect course for you. Plus, the Decorators Course also includes my sourcing guide and how to package and ship your products. The third course is the Business Foundation and Pet Treat and Pet Food Registration mini course. This course is for those who want to learn how to start a business and how to register their food or treat products with the Department of Agriculture. This mini course is perfect for those who don't need the baking or decorating portion of the Signature course. Say goodbye to Googling all that confusing information and get it step by step so you can launch your business the right way. Last but certainly not least, the Ultimate Sourcing Guide ebook. The sourcing guide contains all of Bobby and Bambi's resources in a 40-page ebook. This is an a la carte purchase and you will not regret it. The sourcing guide includes every resource we used in Bobby and Bambi's. 2021 enrollment is currently open and ends on January 27th. Early bird ends on January 23rd. Links to the entire course website as well as the individual course and ebook links are in the description box below. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about any of the courses or the ebook. You can reach me at Minyoung at dogbakeryacademy.com or on Instagram at Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery or Dog Bakery Academy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you inside the course so we can start building your dream dog bakery business together. Bye!